Hey tech friends, welcome back in tutorial. In this video we are going to learn how to use two number in one WhatsApp or how to add multiple account in a WhatsApp. So in this I will guide you of the easiest and step by step process to use two number in one WhatsApp or add multiple account in a WhatsApp. So let's dive into our video. First of all, open your WhatsApp application on mobile device. Now you can see here I already opened that application. Now you can see on the top three dot option is there. On the right side, tap on this. So now in that you can get setting option, tap on settings. So inside that you can see here account option is there, tap on account. So now you can see different option are there. From that now you can see add account option is there, tap on that add accounts. So already I have created in this account. So for adding another account, now you can see here add account option is there. So tap on that. So now you can see here it's asking for agree and continue. So tap on this. So now you have to add here another number to add another account. So after giving the number, now you can see a next option is there, tap on next. So it will send a OTP number on your phone number. So you have to do verification for that. So after that verification, it will add that account on your WhatsApp. So in this way you can use two number in one WhatsApp or add a multiple account in a WhatsApp. So if you like this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching this video.